Hi everyone, I have finished my Christmas journals, these 3 here. I do have one more hardcover in the works, so let's get right to it. So this one, this first one, this is actually a gift box journal, so let me show you. So this is from Dollar Tree. So these are the very large ones, and I chose an image that, so when you bend it in half, of course it's going to be like this. I didn't choose this one because all you're going to have is the back of the truck. So the ones that I found there was this one here. It's this cover here. And I thought it was really pretty because it was facing this way. And when you, when I folded it in half, I have the front of the sleigh. And then of course the back of the sleigh is this one, or the back of the book is this one, or the back of the journal, holy cow. So what I did is, if you can see, if I can get the light to shine right, so what I did is I scored it on my score board like every half inch, or not half inch, every probably 1/4 of an inch. And so then I made this rounded spine here so that, it, you know, kind of like what's on a file folder. And then I attached it to some cardstock. And then I have a fabric spine here. For extra reinforcement. So this is a soft journal. It is pliable and bendable, and it is a one signature that can really bulk up. If you're anything like me, I like doing lots of photos. I have photos printed like at Walgreens, and then I do tons of collaging and, you know, like the tags and, you know, packaging and things like that, and I find that mine just bulks right up. So this is a unembellished kind of a naked journal. This is all set for you to do all of your stuff in. So I have a double pocket here, papers, this is some packaging I threw in, and then this is a actually from a Dollar General. These are really cute Go Fish game cards, so that was really cute. I tucked that in there. All right, I'm gonna go kind of pretty quick through these. This one here is a handmade embellishment here that I stuck on the side of the page. So this is what I did, is I took lots of items and I put, you know, I just washi taped them on so that you can use them all throughout your journal. You can, you know, these are like bits and pieces here of storybook pages. This here is, I don't have the book here in front of me, but this is from a vintage, you know, like a crochet book. This is a December 1996 Christmas advertisement book. Some tablet paper. This is a really cool kind of like a wax paper for like pastries. This is a corner hugger here, and I did put a paper clip here because this is not glued on. I want you to put it wherever you want to use it at. So there's lots of cutouts. Like I said, this is all naked storybook pages. This is really cool. Out of a pattern book. Here's a recipe page, Christmas recipe page. Pokey Little Puppy Christmas. And then this one here, this is some packaging that I just thought was really cool, and it's a window here, and I just thought whoever could use that. I used it in my December daily. So I just put this scrapbook paper card in here. Here's a sack. Here's another sack full of goodies. Writing paper. More writing papers. A few pages there. Again, this is all blank and ready for you to start working on. And so then this is just the other side of all these pages. This is from a craft book. It's a card that I made, and I just put the ribbon here. You can do whatever you want with it. Stuff in that pocket. This is napkin. This is a napkin. And then this is a scrapbook card. But this is a napkin and this is paper. So this is really cool. I love this. This is all ready for you to go and do your work in. So I will have that one. And then these two are, oh, you know what? Let me get a measurement real quick for you. I'm sorry, where's my tape measure? So this is a large journal. So this is 8 1/4 by 10 3/4. So this is a large one. If you like lots of space, you know, you'll like that one. All right, these are storybook pages out of a storybook, out of a vintage book, and these are really cool. I really enjoyed these. I did some sewing. This is kind of some gold thread here around the edges that I did on the front. And then the rest of it, is, of course, is cardstock and scrapbook paper. And then so I made this, oh, let me zoom down on this one. This is a little bit smaller. There we go. Oh, let me get the measurement too. So these two are 7 1/2 by 10 1/4. These are just a tad bit smaller than the gift box journal. So then I handmade, I just took greeting cards and then scrapbook paper and made my own pockets. This was really cool. I loved doing that. Although greeting cards are a little bit harder to score and fold, but I figured out a way how to do it really easy. So this is a recycled greeting card. Again, this is papers and tablet paper. This one kind of is more bright colors too in this one. Here's a December poem, a pattern, book page. This is all just washi tape, and there's a little bits in here. This is a little pocket I made out of a Christmas storybook. Christmas treasury book. So this is just washi taped in here. You can put it wherever you'd like. Some little tags. Children's book page. This is old stationery. More tablet paper. This is a no-show paper clip. And here's some of that wax paper. There's some more goodies in these bags. Tablet paper. Here's a poem. I had this folded in half at first, and I'm like, you know what? I don't like seeing stuff sideways. I'm more of like, I want everything upright. So I just cut this all down and I washi taped it on. Here's some coloring book pages. And then I put little presents on the middle. Another storybook page, tablet paper. Here's a recipe. It's a 1990s, 90s something. Storybook page. And here's another hugger. It is not, I'll probably put a paper clip on there so it stays there. But you would normally glue this, you put some glue up here in the corners, and then put it on the page and it will stay there. So there's that one. Some more. These are lots of cutouts from, you know, storybooks. Lots of pages. Almost all of the pages in these journals have been lengthened, you know, because these are big pages, 12 by 12. If you fold it in half, I would have a really tiny short one. So a bunch of goodies in this bag. This is from a craft book. some more tablet paper, playing card. There's another, this is a wish list. The back has another one there. Another children's. She's peeking through the window. Some more tablet paper. There's some more paper. This is actually a like a muffin decorative that you put around there. I just thought that was cool. You can do something with that. And then the back, both of the journals have a handmade scrapbook, big old envelope there. So there is that one. Whoops. So I gotta put a paper clip on there so that that stays. Get it back on there. There we go. So there is that one. I just love this vintage book page. Really cool. All right. The other one is, this one is kind of more all of your blues colors. This one has snowflake cardstock on the back. It has this type of stitching around on this vintage page here. Again, this is the card here is from a greeting card. And then there's some cutouts here. Big old pine tree, because this is, you know, they're in the pines. More paper and a big old card here. And then again, this pretty much the same book pages. Some of these have stickers on this one, because I had these really cool stickers that kind of like matched, you know, this type of winter scene. This is a vintage placemat, a holiday placemat. More, it's oh, actually I probably have it upside down, don't I? These look like peacocks. And then this is a no-show paper clip card there. There's some paper. Again, here's a page hugger. This is a handmade pocket with a tag in there, and there's a pocket down here. There's like 3 pockets. I don't have any more tags in front of me. Let me try this one. So there's a pocket here, and then there's the front pocket here, and then there's the pocket that's up here. And then, so this is just washi taped on here, so you can make it a flip or put it wherever you want. But there's one in this one. Here's 2 more book pages. Another bag of goodies. Book page. Sweet apple buckle. Here's another page from that vintage needlepoint sewing book. Some paper. Another sticker down here. The crayon with the little tassel ends. Here's a, this is just scrapbook paper, but I made a little tag to go over. There's paper there. Here's a big old Christmas packaging cutout. So I taped that on there. This is all washi. You can undo it and move it around, of course. Another bag full of goodies and punch outs. Tablet paper. Another book page. Oh, this has got washi tape down here because there was, I don't know, there was some writing or something on the scrapbook paper. Santa, please stop here. Another book page cutout. Book page. This is from the Pokey Little Puppy Winter. Stationery. Another recipe page for Christmas recipes. Another sticker. And then there's some tags. Here's a greeting card, playing card, and here's another set of pockets with stuff in it, and there's a pocket here, and then of course you can use it as a tip or glue it straight down, so that's there. And then this is the back, and then this is the envelope for this one. And that goes in the back just like that. All right, these are so nice. I loved making these. So these will be in my Etsy shop as soon as you see this video. Whoops. And so again, these are kind of naked journals. These are ready for you to do all your own work and embellishing and have fun with. All right, thanks for joining me. All right, bye-bye.